Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to set up an Ethernet IP master connection on a Schneider M241 PLC. In Machine Expert, we want to add a new Industrial Ethernet Manager. I'm going to use a Siemens S7-1200 PLC as an Ethernet IP slave, so I will add the EDS file that can be found on Siemens Automation's website. Now we will be able to find the S7-1200 controller in the Siemens tab when we add an Ethernet IP target. We need to specify the IP address of the slave device. Then we can uncheck the electronic keying. Under the Connections tab, we can add a new connection and choose which address we're reading and writing from the slave. S7-1200 PLC requires an RPI of 20 milliseconds. If we now go to I/O mapping, we can see the connection we just made. In TIA Portal, I already set up an Ethernet IP slave program to an S7-1200 PLC. If you want to know how to program that, you can check out my tutorial for that on my channel. I will leave a link in the description. I will now test the connection out. If I now type some values on my output side of the Siemens PLC, my Schneider PLC will read its values. And when I set some value on my output side of the Schneider PLC, my Siemens PLC will receive the values. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.